Once you see the dumpling them start float, that means the dumpling them ready. And if you could only smell it. Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Friends Cook Up. Today we have a special dish. Yeah man, we talk about Ital stew peas. Yeah, Ital stew peas. And you don't know, say a lot of people been texting me about this one and say, yo, they want me to do stew peas. I'm gonna say, alright, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Ital. What I mean, Ital, this one is for the people who don't eat meat, but you know, like we have vegetables in there, like we have a carrot, we have a thyme, scallion, and onion, and we season it up nice and proper. Alright guys, so let me show you how I prepare the stew peas. Alright, so this is the peas that I have washed and have it soaked for over 4 hours now. So now I'm gonna put it to boil. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add it to the pot with the same water that I have it soaked with, right? See the color? Yeah. Add some more fresh water to it. Yeah, and as you can see, I have it soaked from this morning. Alright, so, and this now, what I'm gonna do, I have 2 cloves of garlic I'm gonna add to the pot. Okay? Yeah, so I'm just cut it a bit like this. Just drop it in there. Alright guys, so, and the reason why I add the garlic to the peas is to help soften the peas while it boiling, so you know, it make it more quicker too, you know? Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna leave the pot, let it go and boil, and let the peas go and mash, you know? Yeah. Alright, first thing first, as my friend G first would have said, make sure say you wash your hand. Alright? So right now, I'm gonna need the flour, and then, as I'm gonna say, make sure say you wash your hand. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna make the dumpling, otherwise known as spinners, to go into the stew peas, right? So basically what I have here guys, as you can see, salt and water and flour. That's simple, no caramel. You know what I mean? Flour, water and salt. That's it. Alright. So for me, I don't know, I always measure it in my hand for some reason. That's how I know my measurement. And that's it. And you just gonna mix it up. As you see, you know, I washed my hand earlier, right? Yeah. Mix up the salt in that. Yeah, man. Yeah, make it do like this, you know. Dumpling. Alright guys, as you can see, that's the dough and that's the dumpling, that's the flour. And you see, I don't make too much because you know we're just making some spinners, right? So we don't need to make some big cartwheel dumplings. So that should be good enough for that pot, you know? Yeah, so we just gonna make that go and sit till the peas ready, and then we're just gonna add it to it later. Alright? So let's check in on the peas and see how it is. Alright, so now I'm gonna test it just to see how the pea is going. Alright, look on that guys, you see how it start to get yeah, hot, hot, hot. Yeah. Yeah man. Alright guys, so these are the vegetables that we're gonna add into the stew peas. So onion, some scallion, carrot, thyme, and then I already add some garlic there already, so that's it what I'm gonna use for the stew peas. So I'm gonna get it washed. Alright guys, look at this. Look at this. How could I forget my hot scotch bunny pepper? I'm always forgetting to the last minute. But how could I forget my hot scotch bunny pepper? And you know, so the scotch bunny pepper give the pot a good flavor. And with this guys, I'm not even gonna cut the pepper. I'm just gonna drop it in the pot just like that. You know what I mean? So just gonna put it in the pot holder. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna add my coconut milk to the peas. And the coconut milk I'm gonna use is the Maggi coconut milk. Yeah, this one have a little bit more flavor than the other coconut milk. To me, you know what I mean? And it's really good. Powder coconut milk. So now add some. We're gonna mix up some with a little bit of water, and then we're gonna add it to the peas. Yeah, that should be good enough. Just like that. Yeah. Check in our pot, you know? Just mix it up like that, guys. This is a key thing to the stew peas. Coconut milk. Yeah. And then what you do now, get some of the juice and just put it back in the bowl. You wanna make sure so you wash out all the coconut. Alright guys, so right now check in for the pot again, because right now I'm gonna add some carrot to the dish. Alright, I don't know no. Ital stew peas. Oh god. Alright guys, so if you guys could only smell it, look at that guys. Look at that. Alright, so let's add up the carrot to it, you know. Yeah man. The carrot, make it go and cook down for a bit, and then we're gonna add the rest of vegetables after. Alright guys, so now we're gonna add some pimento berry, or that's a pimento seed. Alright. Yeah man, let's drop that in the pot. Leave it, make it go and cook down, and then later on we're gonna add up the rest of vegetables, and then we're gonna season it up, and you'll see how it go, right? Alright, so right now I'm gonna add my flour to the pot, right? As well as still in some spinach. Yeah man, we're gonna add that to the peas right now. Yeah. See it? Alright. Make some spinach, you know? I'm not gonna make them big, you know guys. Look at that. You know? Look at that. You see how it is? Yeah. Not too big. Just roll it like that. Yeah. Alright guys, yeah, that's how it is. You know, you don't want it bigger than this. Yeah man. So now I'm gonna stir the pot and you're gonna see how it is. Look at that guys. Yeah. Yeah man. So now I'm gonna start seasoning up my pot with all the vegetables and all the seasoning them, right? And keep going cook down. As you can see, the peas ready. Mash out. Soft. Good to go. Alright, so now I'm gonna add all the vegetables to it. Remember now, you could add your own vegetables how you want. Alright, so now add up my scallions. You notice I don't cut it up fine, right? Just drop it like that. Then my thyme, drop it like that. And the bad boy, hot scotch bunny pepper, drop it like that. So now I'm gonna stir it up. Look at that guys. Look at that. If you could just smell the flavor from all the time. Yeah man. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add my powder season to the pot. So garlic powder. And a little bit of all-purpose. Yeah. Seasoned salt. Yeah. Black pepper. And black pepper is a must, guys. And the thing is, you don't want to put too much, but you want to make sure so you have your black pepper in it. So stir it up. Look at that, guys. Ital stew peas. Now I'm gonna check it to see if I need to add any more of the seasoning or any more of the seasoned salt. To me, right now, that's good, guys. You see, this, you could taste the flavor from that. Yeah. So right now, I just make it go and simmer down, let it go and cook down. But right now, we reach at stew peas stage right now. Alright, guys, we'll just so the pot will go on with now. Once you see the dumpling them start float, that means the dumpling them ready. And if you could only smell it, the coconut milk, oh gosh, and the thyme, look at that, guys. Alright, so now I get the rice ready. So yeah, man, we'll just try to wash up the rice, you know, just like that, guys. Alright, so as you can see, I wash the rice. So now I'm gonna add some butter, probably just a spoon of butter. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add some oil. Not too much. Yeah, should be good. Add some salt. So either you taste the water to make sure so if you get enough salt in there, you know? Yeah, probably just a little bit more salt, you know? Just a bit more. Yeah. Alright, so now we just turn it down, not too high, and just let it go and steam, let it go and cook. Yeah. White rice. Chicken pot in the pot now. Alright, let's see how the pot's staying now. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna check it just to see how the flavor still. Nice. I think we just need to add a little bit more salt to it. Just a bit. Just a bit. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Go there. Look at the pepper. Alright, guys, let's check in on the stew peas now, see how it is. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man, stew peas ready now, you know. You can see it, yep. Finish. Turn off that now, you know. Just throw the rice to it. Look at that, guys. That ready, you know. White rice, ready. And my favorite part of the cooking this, you know. Food ready. Time to eat. Yeah. Alright, guys, so now we come to the final part of the cooking, which is the finish part of it. So right now, I'm my favorite part, you know, cause trust me, we're hungry, and right now, we can't wait for us to dig into this here food, cause it smell good, and I know say it gonna taste good. Stew peas are one of my favorite Ital stew peas. So, alright, let me just try it out and see what's going on, guys. Look at that. Yeah, white rice, well cooked. See, look on the spinners them. Yeah. And the carrot. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out, guys. Nice, 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 nice. See, even the coconut milk. Oh gosh. And the pepper get a nice kick, guys. You can have that heat. Oh God. Now look at the carrot. Also, we can't eat stew peas without no meat. I eat stew peas. So let us go and enjoy this food, you know. Honestly, guys, I think you guys should try this dish. Ital stew peas. Nice and easy dish. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you just go and subscribe, and tell a friend, and make sure you like up those videos and share it. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.